Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see reels history on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go and step into our video. For the matter, first access your Facebook app. Afterwards this kind of interface gonna pop up, right? So we're gonna go to this reels section and then we can find all kinds of reels, right? So the easy way for you to be like, let's say I have liked this reel and I'm gonna go back, tap on the profile icon with the 3 horizontal line, tap on the square icon on top, scroll down and tap on this option called activity log. And here in this section you can see your first option is your activity across Facebook. Tap on it and here you're going to find your comments and reaction. You can see comments that you have posted and posts, and comments that you are liked or react to, posts, save items, message groups, and reels section. Go ahead, tap on it. You can see your reels, audio that you have saved, effects that you have saved, GIF clip that you have saved. So in case you have saved any reels, audios, or effects, then you will be able to tap on the see manage reels option and you will be able to find all kinds of reels that you have reacted upon. And the other would be simply going to comment and reactions. If you have commented on any of the reels, let's say likes and reaction, I'm going to tap on it and we're gonna find the particular reel that I just liked, right? And simply I'll tap 3 dot icon beside and tap on this view, and I will be able to again view that particular reel here in Facebook. So that is the only way. You actually do not have a particular way for you to go ahead, tap on the all watch history for the reels. That is the only way, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.